Hey, hold on, Mom.
Look, it's Woody and Buzz coming up fast!
This is the part where we blow up! Not today!
Remember, I love fireworks. I love fireworks for happy 4th of July. That's right. Happy 4th of July. That's right. So we have fireworks in Texas. So we have fireworks in Disney World. We have fireworks in New York City. We have fireworks in New York City, the United States. That's right. So we have fireworks in New York City, the United States. So we have fireworks in Texas. So I love fireworks for Happy 4th of July, Happy 4th of July, or Happy New Year on December 31st, be 2026 until this year. Bye, yes, us.